In this video, we are going to look at how to use the course calendar to help you understand what's upcoming in your course. So there are a couple ways that you can access this course calendar. Like we've seen before, you can either go to Learn and select Calendar, or if you scroll down on your home page, you're going to see a widget for the calendar. Now the widget's nice because you can actually see upcoming things right within the widget. But if you want to view the whole widget, you can just click on the word calendar there, and it'll take you to the same place as if you clicked on calendar here. Now you can see there's a blue dot for any days that have things scheduled. So for today, you can see there's an introduction meeting. For tomorrow, you can see that one of the content lessons is going to become available. And for the 15th, if you look, you can see that that first assignment is due. All right, you can see that that says due there. So right there, it's due. So it starts that day and it's due that day. All right, so quizzes will appear here, discussions as well. But this is one place that if your teacher chooses to use the course calendar, you're going to see all of the course timing, pacing listed here.